How to play horror games on school Chromebook updated 2025. Most people get this wrong, but playing horror games on a school Chromebook in 2025 is possible if you know the right methods. You won't believe how some lightweight options can run smoothly. First, check if your Chromebook supports Linux apps. Many modern models do, and Linux compatibility allows you to run PC versions of games with minimal performance issues. Enable Linux in settings if available. Next, consider cloud gaming platforms like GeForce Now, Xbox Cloud Gaming, or Steam Deck Remote Play. These services let you stream horror games directly to your Chromebook without heavy downloads. All you need is a stable internet connection. For lightweight options, browser-based horror games are also an excellent choice. Sites host games that run entirely in Chrome, with titles ranging from short jump-scare experiences to puzzle-driven horror adventures. Always ensure your school network allows the necessary connections. Some platforms may be blocked, so using mobile hotspots or approved VNAs can help, but check policies first to avoid violations. In conclusion, playing horror games on a school Chromebook in 2025 involves using Linux apps, cloud gaming or browser-based games. By selecting the right platform and checking network compatibility, you can enjoy spooky adventures without high-end hardware.